Okay y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a major cleanup because believe it or not, I really haven't cleaned this place. I know I keep saying that, but I'm going to give you guys a little tour of what my home is looking like right now. So one of the things I wanted to tell y'all is if you need inspiration and you need encouragement to get up and clean or motivation, whatever, the first piece of advice I have to tell you is get out of your pajamas, get up out of the bed, take your house coat off, and put on some cleaning clothes. I know you guys notice that I'm always in some kind of cheesy looking clothes when I'm cleaning. These are simple yoga pants from Walmart and an exercise bra. I'm gonna also put on a shirt, but definitely have some cleaning clothes. These are clothes that you don't really care about, that you've had for a while, that you don't care if you get a bleach stain on them, and you don't care if you get all sweaty and dirty while you're cleaning. Put on some cleaning clothes and get the job done.
So I'm pretty much just showing you guys what my place looks like right now. I know it's not actually dirty because I do keep up on my cleaning, but there is stuff all over the floor. I've got boxes, papers, clothes, lots of clutter, and a few kittens. But anyway, so I haven't been doing that much in here because Alan's been home because of the weather. He ain't been able to work. So you guys know when Alan's home I don't really clean, so that is why my place looks the way it does right now. So if you're wanting to clean, my advice for you, if you are feeling overwhelmed just by looking around your home, start off by doing one room at a time, whether it's your bathroom or your bedroom, your kitchen. Start there, focus on that, and finish it before you move on to your next room.
So another tip to get yourself motivated and up and cleaning is to put on some music. And here's one of the things I like to do. I get on YouTube and I search Victoria's Secret workout music, and then I actually just pick one of these playlists, and it's got some pretty good jams on there that will get you going.
So one tip is to get a garbage bag and start picking up all of the garbage first. If you see papers, bottles, cups, cans, whatever, put them in their place. If they go in the garbage, put them in the garbage. If they go in the icebox, put your Gatorade in the icebox. Everything needs to have its own place, and if it doesn't have its own place or space, it needs to go. So get you a garbage bag and get rid of everything that does not belong on your countertops or on your floor. Throw away some of your garbage first. It will instantly look clean and you will feel encouraged to go forward. Another tip I have is to start your dishwasher at night, let it wash while you're sleeping. When you wake up in the morning, unload your dishwasher and reload it, and then continue loading it for the rest of the day. Start it again at night and do the process all over again. I also wanted to let y'all know that every cleaning product I am using today I got from Grove. I'm using my Method products, my Mrs. Meyer products. I am in love with all of the stuff I got from Grove, so everything you see me cleaning with in this video is from Grove. Well, everything I got from Grove except for my laundry soap and my dryer sheets. I actually found these Fragancia dryer sheets on Amazon. I will link them down below if you guys want to check them out. So I decided to organize and declutter my cleaning product cabinet. So this is underneath my kitchen sink, and I'm just starting off by taking everything out. I'm going through each item and figuring out what is almost empty, boxes, bottles. I'm going through what I want, don't want, need, and don't need, and I'm getting rid of those things and setting the other things to the side. So I'm just vacuuming out underneath there because I don't know what was under there, but there was stuff under there, and I'm wiping them out with my Method lavender wipes. These smell amazing, by the way, and you should try them. And I got these little pink and blue organizing containers, or whatever you call them, from Amazon. I will link them down below. And I'm also going to be using my little white cleaning caddy that I got free from Grove, which you can also get free. And I really got pretty OCD about everything that I was doing right now because I wanted everything to just have its perfect little place. So I'm gonna skip through a lot of that so you don't have to be bored with my OCD weirdness. But I feel like it looks a lot better. It's still a little cluttered, which I will show you the end result in a minute, but at least everything kind of has its own place and it's not all just thrown in there. A lot of you mention how I have the energy to get stuff like this done, and honestly, the first thing I always do when I wake up, I have to have some kind of caffeine, whether it's coffee or it is my Teamy tea. So that's where my original energy comes from, but the energy that I get to get this kind of stuff done comes from the inspiration and the want to have a clean home. So I'm always tired anyway, but if I'm feeling tired and I don't feel like doing this kind of stuff, I look around and I know in my heart that I want my home to be clean because I feel better when my home is clean. I have anxiety if it's cluttered like you've seen in this video. So if you don't have the energy, you have to have the want to do this kind of stuff. So you have to get it in your head, I want to clean my home, and then you have to get up and you have to do it. And once you get up and you start doing it, that energy and inspiration will kick in, and then you'll get the job done. If y'all haven't tried the Method Squirt and Mop, I highly recommend trying it. This product is awesome. So I'm using my Mrs. Meyer tile and tub cleaner spray just to clean out my bathtub and wipe down my shower walls. And I'm also going to use the same product on my bathroom sink and countertop. I'm using the lavender scent and I'm literally obsessed with this smell. It does not smell like lavender. To me it smells like apples or something, but it smells amazing, and the scent seriously lingers. It smells so good. So y'all know I always like to start off by making my bed, but since my husband is home, I kind of have to work around him and do things differently. So I ended up making my bed last on this day, which feels a little weird to me. But I highly recommend making your bed first. It really gets you in the mood to clean, and it'll help it'll help you get everything else done. So yay, everything is fresh and clean now and looking much better than it did in the beginning. So anyways, this video is over. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I was able to motivate you and inspire you to get up and clean your home and get her done, girl. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, leave me some comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to check out all the information I put for you guys in the description. There's links and other stuff down there. And yeah, check it out. Bye.